This is a fit for a 2017 through 2019 and possibly beyond Mercedes-Benz E-Class Wagon with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in silver with the integrated feet. This is part number 7603. It connects to the flush side rails using the Fit Kit 4055. That includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which connect to the flush side rail. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is up to 57 inches. This rear crossbar is the 7602. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.